Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Friends, thank you very much for watching me, and over time, I'm so overwhelmed na sinasamahan nyo ako every time na meron akong video, every time meron ako show. So again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. My name is Darren East. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, yes, go ahead, please subscribe na. So just click the subscribe button below, tapos i-click mo rin yung bell para kung may bago akong video, nano-notify ka agad. I'm preparing myself para sa show ko at 10 o'clock. So I got 15 more minutes before the show starts. Meron pang DJ isa na nagpo-program. So ano bang ginagawa ng isang DJ prior to doing the program, doing the show? So ayun. First of all, yung mga friends natin, baka gusto nyo rin maki-join sa palabas o sa show ko. That's from 10 in the evening hanggang alas 12 na madaling araw, Monday to Friday sa Good Vibes FM. Nasaan kami? Nasa Kumu or KUMU or yung Kumu app o yung parang Tarsier. So hanapin nyo yun. Go ahead and go to Google Play and download that on your Play Store. Sa iPhone meron din po. So all you need to do is to just simply go ahead and register for free. Then you can join us by finding or looking for Good Vibes FM PH. Then you can also follow me, Darren East. It's DARRENEAST. Then every night I'm playing some love songs, I'm playing modern music and classic hits. In preparation, maganda po yung at least alam mo yung gustong maging topic nyo sa program nyo, especially sa akin, talk show po. Nag-i-invite po ako ng mga tao na umakyat as mga, kung gusto nyo makipagkwentuhan, makipagdaldalan, or maybe mag-share sa isang event sa buhay nila. Yesterday meron nang hingi ng advice sa problema nila. So yun, actually yun ang ginagawa ko. I would like to have a certain topic, then I would like to present the topic. Pero actually, if kung tutusin talaga, anything goes, no? Kasi live show siya, live streaming. So sa program ko, kung halimbawa yung topic niya or yung issue niya hindi related sa question ko of the day, then that's fine. Then we can talk about it. And I encourage at least respect. I encourage good advice para meron tayong value na nabibigay sa mga listeners natin. Kasi meron din opportunity yung mga ibang listeners na kapasok sila sa box. I can mute them. I can kick them out kung pasaway. So nakaganda doon. I encourage them to also speak out and maybe give out advice pa rin. Yesterday, meron naman yung suki natin na binigyan tayo na parang house tour, and she's in Edmonton, Canada. So nakakatuwa, at least nakikita natin how it is opposite gabi dito sa atin, doon sa kanilang umaga, like around 9 o'clock. So exciting. So before the program, I've downloaded some songs at saka same time I'm also prepared with some music na pwedeng kahit paano ito-type mo lang tapos makukuha mo agad just in case mayroong manghingi. Pero technically lahat sana ng gusto ko marinig yun rin tutugtugin ko kasi mas feel mo mas parang kumbaga as a DJ nandun yung group nyo kumbaga gusto mo yung tugtog, gusto mo yung music, nafe-feel mo yung music, nakaka-relate ka, so mas magiging mas magaan, mas bagay sa programa, mas bagay sa show. Kasi pag merong magre-request tapos parang out of sync, parang napakalayo naman. Hindi ba bagay sa show? But anyway, still ang ginagawa ko kasi is to give out more than what I could get out of the program. Madalas po kasi is kung iisipin nyo, ano ba yung nakukuha mo sa program, nakikinabang ka ba sa mga diamonds o sa mga heart na binibigyan ng mga listeners or fans. So it will follow. Pag natuwa po sila, siyempre voluntary, it's parang human nature that you can give out rewards or give out tips if ever na natuwa ka. Ang sa akin is to create lang muna, bali branding, kilalanin nila sino si Darren East, kilalanin nila kung ano ang Good Vibes FM, kilalanin nila yung Good Vibes Crew. So at least malaman nila na we're here for them. Halimbawa, wala silang kakwentuhan, kausap, or just simply enjoying tambay and music. Ayun, yun ang ginagawa lang namin. Just to let them know that we're here, and if they're willing to reach out, then yes, we're more than happy to take care of their concern, kausapin sila, pag-usapan ng buhay, at saka meron ma-share kahit paano, mga konting advice, or just to make them smile. Yun naman talaga yung pinaka-goal natin. And it's satisfying, especially if you give out more, kumbaga nag-uumapaw yung binibigay mo na value para sa kanila. Tapos sila nakikinabang. At the end of the day, tuwang-tuwa sila. Then, sooner or later, the rewards follows. So yun yung mahalaga para sa akin. At least, hindi ako nangihingi. Kasi alam ko naman na kung para sa akin, ibibigay mo na voluntary. Ikatutuwa mo. By the way, a few weeks back, ang inumpisan ko is yung advocacy ko para to support the local biz rock at saka OBM or Original Bisaya Music. Kasi merong papalipit na parang competition, songwriting competition. So this is an opportunity for local songwriters and composers to show them what they can do in terms of music, musicality, yung caliber ng nila ng composition nila to compete among others. And I believe it's more like 200 mahigit na ang nag-submit under Kuya Brian Balucan of OBM. Yun yung parang movement. Sabi nga niya, as long na walang politics, definitely yung Original Bisaya Music should flourish. And ngayon, since ang daming entries and they're trying to select at least top 5, tapos may mga prizes yun, ha? So yan, pagalingan na lang, pagandahan, and at the same time kung pwede niya i-produce, tutulungan niya i-produce. Sabi niya kung walang pera, he's more than happy to do that. Kasi pag na-upload na sa YouTube tapos pinanood na at saka ang dami natuwa, money will come back.
Muna sa'yo kami mas edukado, kisa man ang inyong pinakamaayo, inyo ang
Hey guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that every time we upload new videos, you will be notified instantly. See you in the next video. Thank you.